The Tomato Jaw's vision is very simple: local production for local consumption. And our goal is very clear. We want to create a middle class in rural Nigeria through the industrialization of agriculture. I am very pleased to have you all here to witness the beginning of a massive year of growth for Tomato Jaws, because indeed, this groundbreaking ceremony is just the beginning. And I'm very, very proud to become a part of the Nigerian success story.
Today, we're excited that Tomato Jaws is expanding its investment footprint in our state by taking a leap from growing tomato and other crops to building a processing facility to make tomato paste.
The flag off of this Tomato Jaws processing plant today marks a key milestone in our intervention in the agricultural sector, which is a manifestation that the multifaceted commodity approach that we're currently adopting in the CBN is yielding positive outcomes. But I think it's important that I also thank and particularly recognize Mira Metha, the CEO of Tomato Jaws.
This is also an important day for the U.S. Embassy, and what better introduction to Nigeria than to witness firsthand the expansion of one of the most innovative and enterprising American-Nigerian agribusinesses in the country. U.S. Mission Nigeria is proud of their success and is delighted to consider Tomato Jaws a close partner in fostering the economic development of Nigeria.
I'd like to start with a brief thank you to the Kaduna state government for giving Tomato Jaws such a warm welcome in 2017 when we first moved here, and for its commitment to excellence that is very crucially coupled with an energetic bias towards action and execution.
Kaduna state government welcomes this latest investment in the agricultural potentials of our state. Kaduna state is well endowed with farming potential, with vast arable land and many water sources. We are among the top producers of grains and vegetables, and welcome the fact that processing facilities owned by private investors are being located in our state.
One of the U.S. Embassy's top priorities in Nigeria is to help foster that prosperous future by increasing our bilateral trade and investment through a wide variety of U.S. government initiatives, including Prosper Africa, the African Growth and Opportunity Act, and an array of U.S. Agency for International Development programming.
I'd also like to thank the Central Bank Governor of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for his visionary leadership, his belief that Nigeria can and should feed itself, and his unwavering support in capacity building for agriculture and manufacturing.
But I was wondering, of all the places in the world choose to come to the middle of nowhere in Kaduna state, and I thought all we could do was to support, but because we think you are the most courageous of them all.
We support Nigeria's push to diversify its economy away from oil and to create jobs at a rate that outpaces population growth. And agriculture is one key sector that can create those jobs while forging new commercial opportunities with the United States.
I'd like to thank the U.S. Ambassador and the U.S. government by extension for supporting me in my quest to live out the American dream, even here in Nigeria. Thank you, Madam President. I'd like to thank the chairman of Flour Mills of Nigeria for his invaluable advice and mentorship, and for lending his team's experience and expertise and guidance to Tomato Jaws time and time again. Thank you, sir.
We are very proud of what she has done. We thank her for all that she has done to make our people here richer and more contributors to our economic growth than dependents. Mira, thank you very much. You are our favorite investor.